How's it? Nick from HOLTS. And this week, sticking with the cooling system, now that we've done our radiator flush and we've got all the old bits and pieces out of the system, we're going to look at the subject that is antifreeze. Now, a cool engine runs better, runs more efficiently, and you want to use a decent quality antifreeze. This is a 40% MEG. It's got additives in it as well that are safe for use on aluminium heads, water pump impellers, so it's borax and silicate free, which is two important things. And the grade of MEG, which is your antifreeze, is monoethylene glycol. That is what's important inside here. The benefits of using a product like antifreeze, especially in South Africa, is not necessarily for the coolant part of things or the antifreeze in winter, but more for the cooling in our hot summer temperatures. And especially if you're running a big motor like this, it'll be more effective and run better if you have got a decent cooling product in the system. What we do is you just add the product in a ratio of 1 bottle or 1 liter to every liter of water. So to simplify that, if this is a 8-liter capacity radiator, you want to use 4 liters of the HOLTS antifreeze to 4 liters of water.
Get it on now.